What's up, YouTube? So today I just got my RLS exhaust. I ordered it April 11th, I believe, and today's April 20th, so that was what, 9 days. Website said 20 to 30 days normally, so that's pretty fast. I'm happy about that. So let's go install and see how it sounds. Alright, so I rushed out back here to the garage and forgot my keys to the RYKER, but just unbox it right quick and say why I bought this RLS exhaust. So I watched a bunch of videos trying to see which exhaust sound better, and it's kind of hard to tell through video, but where the tip comes out looked like it was pretty short compared to some of the other ones. It's nice. And the RLS, seen it came with the baffle that you insert in here, and it comes with the spring puller, so I figured that would save me some time from ordering a new one. What's that? RLS exhaust. It's a cool little picture. Business card. This thing's light too, and they said that the bolt was bolted or welded on, so that's another reason, so I didn't have to mess with that. That's pretty much the main reasons I went with RLS. And the some stickers. That's cool. The price was good too. I believe it was $259, and then when I went to check out, it automatically put a promo code on, and I got it for like $233. So the price was great. Came with a couple little extras to save me some time, and with the baffle I got a couple of different choices of sounds. So I'll go grab the keys and get this on, and then I'll be back. Real quick, I got those springs off real simple. I didn't have to go under the bike or anything. Basically just looked through this hole to see the first spring, and then I had to kind of look under to see the second spring, but it's a lot easier from, my knees pulling it this way. Pop right off, didn't have to fight it or anything. And then see how the exhaust kind of sticks out right here close to the tire? Well, I didn't want anything too close to the tire, and I didn't want anything poking out too far, because the I don't know, I was thinking about maybe getting that side bag. Still haven't decided on that, or the top case. But for this bolt, I just took a breaker bar and did the first turn, and all these turns have been simple ever since. So get back to you right after I get this on. Alright, now I'm finished. But what I was saying earlier, the RLS exhaust tip was like, flush with the swing arm, and the stock one is like, comes like right close to the tire. It's real bulky, heavy. Now putting it back in, I basically put the springs back on first. It was harder to put on than it were to take off, and it wasn't too bad. And then after I got that springs on, I just came back to this side, and I had to twist it a little bit to get it lined up with the bolt, and then basically holding the exhaust up with my left hand and starting it with my right hand. It's pretty simple. Then just a few torques, or a few twists I should say. And all the tools I really needed was the spring puller, and the socket, but the breaker bar made it a lot easier for the first turn to unloosen, and for the last, I'll say 2 turns for making sure it was on there tight. And besides that, it was real simple. Now I'll start it, see how it sounds.